Hi friends, I'm Kanu Panda from Father Agnel High School, Pilar, Goa from 8th A. Hi friends, do you know who I am? I'm Vishwanath Lavande, known as Vishu Londo. The saga of Goa struggle for freedom for colonial yoke is incomplete without me. As a young man, I worked against the dictatorial regime who found the Azad Gomantak Dal. As I studied at Kolhapur, I participated in nationalist Quit India movement. I came back to Goa after the colleges were closed during the Quit India movement of 1942 and I organized a Seva Dal at Margaon. I was jailed many times as a satyagrahi and I found a violent Azad Gomantak Dal at Kunkolim. I did not rest till the Goa was liberated on 19 December 1961. Long live Goa. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Divinio Masilo Fernandez. I am from Father Agnel High School, studying in 8th B. Women who fought the Portuguese. Most recognized freedom fighters may be male, but the role played by women is rarely glorified. The fact is, women had to face unimaginable physical and mental torture in their quest to free Goa. Most of the young women from different castes and classes hated the Portuguese regime and were inspired to free Goa. Consider young Vastala Panduram Kirtane, who stood up to the Portuguese police commandant at the meeting at Margaon on June 18, 1946. He questioned her for raising the slogan Jai Hind in defiance of his direct orders. The fearless lass turns around and says, just like the words Viva Salazar fill you with pride, so does Jai Hind galvanize my spirit. She was promptly arrested. Among the more prominent is Sudha Mehab Joshi, popularly known as Sudha Thai, from Maldoi Ponda. She was arrested at the Mapsa Garden Square for carrying the Indian flag. She was sentenced to 10 years imprisonment and slapped with a penalty of 20 executes per day and also suspended a political right for 20 years. Prema Purab from Pirsule Satari helped to carry arms from Belgaum through the forest to Mohan Rande in Goa. On one such mission, she was fired at by the Portuguese police and the bullet hit her in the leg. But somehow she managed to escape and saved her life. Bertha was a leading figure in the struggle and had defied the ban on civil liberties by speaking publicly. She strode alongside her uncle T.B. Kunna at protests, marches and speeches in South Goa. She found fortnightly in 1958 in Bombay called Free Goa. Inspired by Sudhatai, Sashikala Udarkar offered Satyagraha on February 17, 1955 at Margaon and was arrested for distributing pamphlets. She was shown physical torture that male prisoners underwent, which only strengthened her resolve. The quest for freedom. Women were also forced to live underground like their male counterpart. Sometimes they would end up imprisoned at the same time and their husbands and children would have to be looked by extended families. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Sanjay Dakuna. I am from Father Agnel High School, Pilar, Goa, and I am in 8th B. Women who fought the Portuguese. Most of the freedom fighters are maybe male, but the role played by women is rarely glorified. The fact is that women have faced unimaginable physical and mental torture in their quest for free Goa. Most of the young women had hated the Portuguese region and were inspired by free Goa. Consider young Vatsala Pandurang Kirtani, who stood up at the Portuguese police commandant at the meeting at Margao on June 18, 1946. He questioned her and said that he questioned her for raising the slogan Jai Hind. In defiance on his direct order, she says that just as the word Viva Salazar fills you with pride, so does Jai Hind galvanize my spirit. She was promptly arrested. Among the most prominent is Sadhu Mukeshi Joshi. He is popularly known as Sadhu Bai. She is from Mardol Ponda. She was arrested at Mapsa Garden Square because she was carrying an Indian flag. Prerna Parab from Satari. She helped the arms to carry. She helped to carry the arms from Belgaum to Goa. On one of her mission, one Portuguese commander had shot her leg, and she was not able to walk, but somehow she managed. Thank you.
हांव सेंट लॉरेन्स हायस्कुलाचे भुरगे. म्हजें नांव रुपल गांवस. गोंयांत पयलीं पुर्तुगेज राज्य करताले. ते गोंयच्या लोकांचेर खूब अन्याय अत्याचार करताले. तांचो विरोध करपाक गोंयचे जायते तरणाटे फुडें सरले. हे पळोवन आमच्या लागींच्या राज्यांतलो तरणाटो मोहन रानडे होवूय गोंय मुक्त करपाक फुडें सरलो. मोहन रानडे हाचो जल्म महाराष्ट्रांतल्या सांगली गांवांत 25 डिसेंबर 1929 ह्या वर्सा जाल्लो. मोहन रानडे हाणें गोंय मुक्ती संग्रामांत मोलाचो वांटो दिला. हे आमी मतींत दवरूंक जाय. मोहन रानडे हे आझाद गोमंतक दलाचे प्रमुख नेता आसले. ताणें गोंयांत येवन शिक्षकाचें काम केलें. मागीर ताणें हेर स्वतंत्र सुटके झुजाऱ्या वांगडा एकठांय येवन पुर्तुगेजाचो विरोध करपाक कुंभंडा आंदोलनां चळवळी केल्यो. बेती पुलीस चौकीत केल्या हल्ल्यात ते जखमी जाले आनी पुर्तुगेज सरकारान तांकां बंदखणीत घाले. पुर्तुगेज सरकारान तांकां 26 वर्सांची ख्यास्त फर्मायली. शेवटाक तांची 14 वर्सांची ख्यास्त सोंपले उपरांत 1969 ह्या वर्सा तांची सुटका जाली. बंदखणीत रावन तांणी वेगवेगळी पुस्तकां बरयलीं. ताच्या पुस्तकांनी गोंय चळवळींतले अणभव दिश्टी पडटा. तांची नामांकीत पुस्तकां म्हटल्यार सतीचे वाण आनी स्ट्रगल अनफिनिश्ड ही जावन आसात. ताच्या सामाजीक कार्या खातीर गोंय सरकारान ताका वेगवेगळे पुरस्कार दिवन ताचो भोवमान केला. ताणें केल्ल्या सामाजीक वावरा खातीर गोंय सरकारान ताका गोवा पुरस्कार दिला. तशेंच भारत केंद्र शासनान ताका पद्मश्री पुरस्कार दिवन ताचो भोवमान केला. मोहन रानडे हाका 90 वर्सांच्या पिरायेचेर 25 जून 2019 ह्या वर्सा पुण्याच्या दीनानाथ मंगेशकर हॉस्पिटलांत मरण आयलें. जय हिंद, जय गोवा.